Alright guys, what's up? Mike DeFusco's vlog here, you know. There he is. Wow, Mike stepped in some gum. I'm a little sunburned. I got a raccoon going on. There's Morgan. What's up? We're out here. Where we going, Mike? Yep. He's a little shy on the camera. It's alright though. We're good. Degenerate Sandstorm friends? There it is. What's up?
What's up?
We're out here vlogging. ProBroDown. Mike's a bro, not a pro, that's for sure. But
never got his car attacked.
Never got his car attacked. They're yelling at him.
I don't even know what.
It's alright. Drinking some teas though.
Hell yeah.
People are looking at me weird because I don't have a selfie stick, but it's okay. What do you think about this?
Is this your channel, bro?
This is my channel.
Oh, it's your channel.
This is a KNT/Paul's Automotive channon.
It's probably Walnuts.
Yeah, probably Walnuts. Sorry.
That's fine.
Sorry.
Well, you ever see the dude in the pep shoes?
Oh yeah.
So Mike's about to head out on grid. B's about to go out. He's got new tires in the front, new tires in the back. Gonna see how it works. Hopefully it goes good. Gets a couple clean laps in. We'll catch a couple clips of him shredding. Alright, so Mike went out and did a couple runs. Car looked super gripped up. Needs to do something different, but we're in the pits. We're going to figure out what's going on. Alright, so we just talked to Mike, what we suspected was right. The car's super gripped up, so we're gonna add like 7 to 9 PSI and go from there. Do some more laps, right, Paulie?
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna get back at it.
Until I feel it, I'ma smoke it till it's done. I don't really give a fuck, and my excuses that I'm young and I'm only getting older. Somebody should have told you I'm yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I said I'm alright. Fuck it. Two white girls and I got that drink. Could be purple, it could be pink, depending on how you catch that shit. Money to be got, never get that shit, 'cause I'm alright. I said fuck it.
Cause they ain't the type for listening, and they sure ain't never gonna learn. Guess they feed off of Yes, I guess I see. They do the feel them as they watch you. 1,000 eyes now filled with pain. I just sit back and relax now as your heart disconnects from your brain. Yes, I guess I see. They doing nothing here but living on for you and me. Well, yes, I guess I know. There ain't no place left on this earth that you could call your own.
Nothing has dependable except for that thing. 'Cause everything else-
I am way too excited right now. All right, yeah, the car is handling amazing. These tires are nutty. Tree turn's insane. Coils GoPro is getting like good stuff. Throwing good entries in on the tree turn and everything. It feels nuts. So I'm gonna take the hood off because the car's getting really hot, and then go from there next session.
All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. All right, so Mike's about to go out for the second session for B group. He's been killing it today, so keep it up. See how it goes.
All right, guys, so I just ripped my side skirt off the car. I ripped the front bumper off. It's laying on track. I'll get it later. But the side skirt, I didn't have holes drilled. I broke all the clips, so I literally just ripped it off the car. We'll worry about getting that back on the car with some zip ties at a later date. Things are going well. I am so happy with everything right now. The car, the tires. These tires are nutty, absolutely nutty. And it just feels so good. The car is predictable. That last run, I went a little hot. Those last 2 runs, 3 turns, gnarly. I just handbrake in, and it's just so good. This is the best drift event I've ever had. Hands down, best drift event. So we got about a half hour left to go. Hopefully the car holds together, everything stays good, we'll be alright. I need a beer, a tea. He's so happy right now.
That makes me cringe.
Fanboying a little bit right now.
Why do they all look the same? Jesus Christ, Tyler. All the way over. All the way over. I got that on video. I'm sending it to the police. Alright guys, so today I took off of work to recover from the event. It's kind of rainy out. Hopefully it clears up in a little bit and I could give you guys a little walk around the car and all that. But the car survived. I survived. The drifting was amazing. It's the best drifting I've ever done to this date. The ATRK Sports, I know like Tyler was mentioning, were working very well. We had to take some grip out of the rear and the car just felt really good. I think by the end of the day, I probably could have added a little more grip into the rear because I was getting used to it. And I would have been able to use the throttle just like a little bit more. But, you know, there's always the next event, and I feel super good about the car, super good about driving and all that stuff after this one. So the car sustained a little bit of damage, nothing crazy. Blew the front lip off. I put it back on, I fixed it, blew it off again. It's gone forever. We didn't even go back out into the track and get it because I think I broke it into like more pieces than just two. Blew the side skirt off. It's actually laying back over there. And I broke all the clips. I'll zip tie it back on, will be good. And I bent my blast pipe pretty good. I kinked it by the diff because I went off track. Like I board slid the back of the car off the track edge, and it kinked the exhaust pipe. So, you know, whatever. I could take the bumper off and melted my rear bumper a little bit, but what are you gonna do? So, thank you guys for watching, and till the next video, I'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Tyler already covered all that, so I'll see you guys.